Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another video on the old mainline subdivision. This is Railfan Studios, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to catch my 6th train now. I have just been recently uploading the M372 video with the Hello Kitty mention, until I've got the call of another train on the old mainline. So this is our 6th ever since when the Howard Street Tunnel opened up in Baltimore, Maryland. This has to be like the most trains we have ever caught in 2025, which I think is just crazy. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. And I don't know what train this is coming down the tracks at any moment, but it could be anything. Likely a coal train again, or a mixed freight, maybe even an ethanol train. We haven't caught those yet at all this month, but honestly, I wouldn't really care if it wasn't. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'll let you go. And here comes the train coming right down the corner pretty soon. Alright guys, here it comes. It's just about rounding the corner now. And I always, compliment exactly if the train is going slow or fast, obviously. Well, I mean, obviously the train's going to be going slow, at least when it's coming up. Train is really good in here, but honestly, we'll see the train once it arrives. So, it should be rounding the corner right now. Should be rounding the corner. Just listen it with my ear, but yeah, the train is definitely coming. Oh yeah, it's a coming. So far we caught a lot of trains that had K5HL horns. I wouldn't be surprised if this one is another, because you know how much I love my K5HL horns. Alright, this could potentially be a coal, but you just gotta appreciate it. Never mind, it's different. But my goodness, is this train actually speeding? And it's a coal train. And it's not a K5HL. Alright, 713. And 829. Alright, here we go. Another load of coal. Really see how loaded those things are at the top. Yeah, from a distance you could stake that out. Probably nothing too special on it. Awesome. We're gonna see what those. Oh, that's it. Wow. All right. Maybe that was C788 or C785. I guess these IDs change, I guess, depending on how long or how short the train is. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So there it is, CSX C785, it looks like, on the old mainline subdivision. That was a pretty good one, to be honest with you. So there you have it, and I'll let you guys go. This might be my last train to catch for the night, or the day. What do I mean by night, Mike? What are you saying? And I'll see you guys next time for another train catch, or later on for some more great content. So catch y'all next time, and hope to see some more trains later on today. All right, catch y'all later.